सरकार की ये फेलियर है, सरकार की, पुलिस प्रशासन की, क्योंकि बार बार बाई फेस जा करके मिलते रहे हैं, अपने बाई हैंड एप्लीकेशंस देते रहे हैं और आईडी पे भी डालते रहे। लगातार कोई ना कोई हमारी ओर से रिक्वेस्ट जाती रही है, मिलके करें, बाई हैंड जा करके दें, कोई असर नहीं हुआ। और बड़ी बार मिलने के बाद दो रिकमेंड किए थे कि 2 आपको सिक्योरिटी गार्ड दिए जाएंगे, 1 दिया, थोड़ी देर के लिए कभी दे देना, कभी तो विदड्रॉ कर लेना। मुझे जब से टेररिज्म का टाइम, जब से हमने फ़ाइट किया, सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड की, अगर देखा जाए तो जो शौर्य चक्कर लिए हैं, जहाँ हमने फ़ाइट किया, हमने अपने बिहाफ पे किए हैं।
तब तक परिवार जो है वो इसी तरह प्रोटेस्ट करता रहेगा सरकार और पुलिस के खिलाफ?
हाँ जी, करता रहेगा। हमारे जुझारू, हाँ, हम रोड पे भी जा सकते हैं, हम रोड पे खिवेंट की रोड जाम कर सकते हैं। ये ऐसा नहीं कि कामरेड बलविंदर सिंह का मर्डर कर दिया, उन्हें शहीद कर दिया तो वो अकेले हैं। ये एक लहर पे अटैक है, उस लहर पे जो देश की नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन के लिए काम करना चाहती है, देश की राष्ट्रीय एकता के लिए काम करना चाहती है, जो इंटेलेक्चुअल लोग चाहते हैं कि पंजाब में अमन शांति बनी रहे, उन सारे लोगों पे, सारी सोसाइटी पे, सारे वर्ग पे एक बहुत बड़ा अटैक है। तो इस टाइम पे पूरे एरिया के, पूरे वर्ल्ड के, पूरे इंडिया के लोग हमारे साथ खड़े हैं। इस वजह से हमें रोड पे जाना पड़ेगा, तो रोड भी ब्लॉक करेंगे जब तक हमारी मांगें पूरी नहीं होती। हमारी मांग है कि जो कल सीनियर ऑफिसर जाके हमारे साथ कमिटमेंट करके गए हैं कि आपको रिटर्न में देंगे, कि आपकी परिवार की सिक्योरिटी सेफ्टी के लिए हमको सिक्योरिटी आपको प्रोवाइड की जाएगी और जो जल्दी से जल्दी दोषियों को पकड़ा जाएगा। जब तक कोई आउटपुट नहीं निकलती, हम कामरेड साहब का संस्कार नहीं करेंगे।
We'll now go across to my colleague Amandeep, who's also joined by the brother, that is Ranjit Singh Shaurya Chakra, who's live with us at this point. Amandeep, over to you. Take us through how the family is raising questions against the Punjab government.
Yes, exactly, Richa. Now the family is in protest mode, and in fact they are coming out with the anger just because it is the security point, it is the safety point of the entire family. The way Balwinder Singh was killed in early morning in his house, and in fact now they are very much concerned about the rest of the family just because there are 4 Shaurya Chakar in one family. Balwinder Singh, his brother Ranjit Singh, Balwinder Singh's wife, and in fact Ranjit Singh's wife. We are joining with us Ranjit Singh, who's brother of बलविंदर सिंह। सर, सिक्योरिटी की बात आ गई है अब सारे परिवार की, क्योंकि जिस तरह से ये अटैक हुआ है तो अब जो परिवार है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इनसिक्योर फील कर रहा है, इसीलिए इस तरह प्रोटेस्ट करने पे उतर आए हैं।
ये जी सिक्योरिटी जे इन्होंने दी, जे एक बंदा देंदे ही 10 दिन रखते ही तो 6 महीने खोल लेंदे ही, 10 दिन रखते 6 महीने खोल लेंदे ही। तो बड़ी बार मंग की इन्हें कामरेड साहब ने, तो नहीं दी इन्हें।
अभी जो है आपको भी परिवार की चिंता हो रही होगी, क्योंकि आप भी उस दौर से गुजरे हुए हैं जिस दौर से बलविंदर सिंह ने, जिस तरह से आपके परिवार ने लड़ाई लड़ी टेररिज्म के खिलाफ, तो अभी ये चिंताजनक बात है सारे परिवार के लिए।
हाँ जी, चिंताजनक बात है, सिक्योरिटी मिलनी चाहिए। तो जेडे बंदे मार के गए उन्होंने गिरफ्तार करना चाहिए जल्दी तो जल्दी।
उतनी देर तक परिवार जो है वो प्रोटेस्ट ही करता रहेगा जब तक उनकी मांगें नहीं मानी जाएंगी।
उन्हें चेर असीं संस्कार नहीं करांगे जिन्ना चेर बंदे गिरफ्तार नहीं किए जाते।
So Richa, you can clearly understand the emotions of the family just because 4 family members are Shaurya Chakra awardee, and in fact state government is not able to take care of the security of this family. I can show you the visuals of the family, how they are protesting. They are protesting in a peaceful manner, and they have decided not to cremate till the time that government will not give the assurance in the written manner, just because the verbal assurances were given by the Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh and in fact the Punjab Police DGP also. But no one has given in the written manner that the family will get sufficient security just because they have fought against the terrorism in 1990, 19 and 91. So now the family is very clear cut. In fact, they are ready to come out on the roads, and in fact this is shameful for the state government just because 4 family members are Shaurya Chakra awardee and state is not taking care of their security or their safety, and in fact family is in deep shock. Meanwhile, they are also also feeling insecure from these hardliners, just because since referendum 2020 movement has escalated in Punjab, and in fact these incidents came to light of Khalistan Zindabad posters, flag hoisted, and in fact slogans. So the family is very much concerned about these things, but state is not. They have written the repeated letters to Punjab DGP. They met Captain Amrinder Singh also regarding the security point of view, but no one has showed the concern. No one has taken care of this family, and result is in front of us. A nation is concerned about this, just because this is a nationalist family who fight against the anti-national elements since 1990, and still they are raising their voice, and still they are fighting. First they fought against the terrorism, and now they are fighting against the government to secure their own family.
For you. The family has asked the Punjab government time and time again for security, and yet it was withdrawn. In fact, the family is now protesting, as you rightly pointed out and showed our visuals. The family of the Braveheart has also been receiving terror threats for years. So what is the justification given by the Punjab government? Did you try to reach out to them?
In fact, Richard, they were facing these threats, and in fact, the Punjab police and state governments are very much aware about this. And despite knowing all these facts, that this family has fought against the terrorism, just because in 1990 the terrorism in Punjab was at peak, and then this family came out and confronted that terrorism, that Khalistani supporters. Now the pro-Khalistani movement escalated in Punjab. So state government should at least realize the sense of security and safety of this family who were on the top list of the hardliners. And in fact, they rightly mentioned every week Balwinder Singh used to write an email to Punjab DGP that they are staying under security threats, and in fact security should be provided to them. But neither the DGP nor the state government nor any official, neither any politician came to this family to provide the security, to raise their voice. They are surviving by their own. And in fact, this is yesterday in the wee hours, the target was Balwinder Singh, and hardliners had done their
In fact, Amandeep, stay with us. Joining me on this broadcast is Aarti Singh of the BJP. Ma'am, your reaction to the Braveheart and Shaurya Chakra awardee family who has now spoken out against the Punjab government. The family had time and time again asked for security, yet it was withdrawn.
Well, the problem with the Punjab government is they are more busy with creating unrest within the farmers against the central government. I mean, they are not bothered about what's happening in the law and order situation on ground. And gentleman has been asking security again and again. I've been told they have been sending mails, and have been requesting local police also that they are under threat. There were 15 attempts being made earlier on the same man. He's a man who contested against and fought against the militants, the militancy. And as per me, all that unrest which has been created by the state government itself has led to radicalization in the state again. And this will lead to militancy. This is the beginning of the second round of militancy if this is not taken care of by the state government now.
In fact, RP Singh, the family are now protesting against the Punjab government as well for not providing the same. Time and time again, they have been receiving terror threats for years, and still the security. What justification do the Punjab government have for this? All right. Thank you so much, RP Singh, for the BJP leader, for joining us. In fact, Braveheart and Shaurya Chakra awardees' family have spoken out against the Punjab government. They have pointed out the fact that repeatedly they had asked for security for their family, yet it was withdrawn. The family is now protesting against the Punjab government for not providing them for the same, who have been receiving terror threats for years.